Does spear fighting still hold relevance in our modern world? This might seem a strange question to ponder, yet the answer is a resounding yes. The evolution of spear fighting, or Sojutsu as it's known in Japan, takes us on a fascinating journey from historical battlefields to modern martial arts dojos. Spear fighting's roots dig deep into history, with traditional Japanese Sojutsu schools, or ryūha, preserving ancient spear techniques and philosophies. These schools are the custodians of time-honored forms, or kata, ensuring that the legacy of the spear lives on. But it's not just in Japan where the spear thrives. Around the globe, spear techniques have found their way into the curriculum of various martial arts. In modern Budo practices like Aikido and Kendo, spear fighting has an important role. Similarly, in the world of Chinese martial arts, or wushu, the chang, the Chinese spear, is considered one of the long weapons. Turning our gaze towards Europe, we find the historical European martial arts communities diligently studying and reviving spear fighting techniques from medieval and Renaissance manuscripts. The spear is not just a weapon of the past, it continues to be a tool for understanding the tactics of yesteryears. Yet, spear fighting is not confined to the dojo or the training ground. It has found a home in competitive sports and demonstrations. Martial arts communities, both Eastern and Western, organize events where the skill and artistry of spear fighting are showcased, captivating public interest. Cultural festivals, historical reenactments, and living history events often feature spear fighting, offering a unique, tangible link to our collective martial past. Beyond its historical significance and martial appeal, spear fighting also contributes to physical fitness and personal development. The dynamic movements involved in wielding a spear enhance strength, balance, and cardiovascular health. It's an art that requires focus, patience, and perseverance, contributing to mental discipline and stress reduction. Spear fighting also serves as an important cultural preserver and educational resource. It is intricately linked with the heritage and identity of many cultures. Through workshops, seminars, and online content, martial arts schools and historical societies offer in-depth insights into the history, technique, and cultural significance of spear fighting. In an interesting twist, spear fighting techniques have been adapted for stage and screen combat, contributing to the choreography of fight scenes in movies, theater productions, and live-action role-playing events. In the end, the relevance of spear fighting in today's world extends far beyond its martial origins. It is a blend of historical study, physical discipline, and cultural expression. It is a testament to the enduring fascination with and respect for traditional martial arts, offering a unique window into the past and a form of personal and physical development in the present.